How to be a TikTok affiliate. Want to earn money by promoting products on TikTok? Let's set up your affiliate account step by step. So, you'll need a TikTok business or creator account, and TikTok Shop must be available in your region. Keep your account active with consistent content to qualify. So go to TikTok Shop Seller Center and apply for the affiliate program. Fill out the form, agree to the terms, and wait for approval. This usually takes a few days. So once approved, browse the affiliate marketplace, select products that fit your niche, fashion, tech, wellness, and check the commission rate, usually between 5 and 20%. Make engaging videos or live stream featuring the products. Add affiliate links directly in your content so viewers can purchase without leaving TikTok. Every sale made through your affiliate link earns you a commission. Payments are processed through TikTok Shop's payout system. Active affiliates can earn anywhere from $50 to $1,000 or more per month. And that is how to be a TikTok affiliate.